I've got this 77 Bronco that I'm going to be restoring, and I'm going to be pulling the body off the frame soon. But today in this video, I'm going to be removing the steering column. Out here, I've already removed the hood. I also removed the bracket that holds the power brake booster, the master cylinder, that whole assembly. Took that off so that you can see what's going on here, and I can get to all those nuts a little easier. I went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 on here and down here and over here so that when I get to those, the nuts will come off a little easier maybe. In here, I'm going to start by taking these trim pieces off. Looks like there's a bolt on each side of this strap here, and then underneath here there's 4 screws that hold that little trim plate off in there that makes the seal at the firewall. I've also got to take this shift linkage rod off of here, and it looks like it just presses or pushes through a little rubber bushing there. So I can get that off somehow. Let me try something else. Okay, now I'm going to put some heat on it with my heat gun. Maybe that'll soften it up a little bit. Okay, that's getting hot. Let's see if we can push it out now. There we go. All right. I recommend you put a little heat on it very first thing. And then there's this plate back here that this clamp attaches to. There's 3 screws on it. Looks like they've got to come out in order for this little shift lever arm to be able to rotate around and come out through the firewall. And don't forget to take your turn signal switch connector off. Having that power brake booster bracket off there made it a lot easier to get in there and get all that stuff out of the way. So that wraps up this video on removing the steering column from a 77 Ford Bronco.